In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as a PDF. If you've ever needed to keep a record of an important message, attach it to a project, or share it outside your inbox, saving an email as a PDF is quick and reliable. Here's how to do it from Gmail on your web browser, step by step. First, open your browser and head to gmail.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once your inbox loads, you're ready to choose the message you want to keep. Next, open the email you want to save. Click the message so that the full content is visible on screen. If it's part of a longer conversation, make sure the specific message you need is expanded so everything you want in the PDF shows up. Now open the print menu. You have two easy options. On the email page, look for the printer icon near the top of the message and click it. This is the quickest way because Gmail formats the email for printing automatically. Or, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl plus P on Windows or Command plus P on a Mac. Either approach will bring up the print window. In the print window, change the destination from a physical printer to a digital file. Find the setting labeled Destination or Printer and select Save as PDF. Take a moment to preview the pages on the right. You can keep the default settings, or, if needed, adjust options like Pages, Layout, or Color so the PDF looks the way you expect. Don't worry, these changes do not affect your original email. When everything looks good, click Save. Your computer will ask where you want to put the file. Choose a folder you can easily find later, such as your documents or desktop. Give the file a clear name so it's searchable, for example, including the subject and date. Then click Save again to confirm. That's it. The email is now saved as a PDF on your computer. You can open it like any other document, attach it to another email, upload it to cloud storage, or keep it for your records. If you repeat these steps for other messages, you'll have a consistent, professional-looking archive in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to replay any part while you follow along, and you'll have your email saved in no time.